Hey everybody, I'm Laura.
And I'm Brooks.
Thanks for coming to Lindy from the Ground Up. Today we're going to be covering Tandem Charleston, also known as Back Charleston, according to Frankie Manning. You see this move a lot in vintage clips, and it is a staple of 1930s Charleston. It looks dynamic and it's easier to do to faster tempos. In this video, you'll learn Tandem Charleston, the push out, a simple exit to get back into close position, and an entrance. We'll cover the chase or S-turn to get into tandem.
This video builds on our previous Charleston video, so if you haven't seen that one yet, go check it out. The link is in the description.
All right, let's start with some general ideas. Number one, in basic Charleston, follows start on the right foot. But in tandem, we start on our left foot. So we're gonna do a warm-up where everybody has the same footwork. Number two, the tricky thing about Charleston is that the rhythm is always changing. In 6 count, you could do a whole song just doing step, step, triple step, again and again and again. But in Charleston, you're not going to be able to do very many moves unless you can change your rhythm. So we're gonna show you a couple of extra rhythms that are gonna help you out.
Now let's partner. Since Tandem Charleston is just like solo Charleston, that's where we're going to start. Keep swinging your arms the whole time. That's how you lead and follow in tandem. Now as you feel comfortable, connect with each other. Keep it as similar to your solo Charleston as possible. And if that starts to feel good, try rotating with it.
Followers, it can be stressful not to be able to see your leader. Relax, trust yourself, that awareness comes with time. Also, don't be concerned about stepping on each other. That will probably happen and it's just a part of the learning process. You say sorry and dance on. If you need extra help with that arm swing, consider this as you practice the basic. It's just like walking. Left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg. When you do your first rock step, put your left arm forward. Then bring it forward again on 5. As you dance, keep checking in until it's second nature. And one last thing, don't be afraid of getting close to each other. It's part of it.
And now we're going to do our first move in Tandem Charleston, the push out.
A few things to notice. It's called a push out. When is Brooks pushing me out? What is Brooks's footwork? What is my footwork? Check out what our right hands are doing to help me face forward. Looks good. Now let's get in and out of it. We're going to be learning the chase, also known as the S-turn, depending on where you learned the move. It looks like this.
Leaders, let's go over our footwork first. A hey, a hope, a here we go. A rock step, kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step, tandem. A rock step, kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step, tandem.
now followers, let's jump on in. After that S turn, feel free to figure out how to get back to closed position, or if you can't figure it out, just drop hands and go there. Now let's add some fancy follow footwork. See if you can figure it out without me. Followers, if you're losing your way, it's just a 6-count tuck turn, followed by the last half of a push out. Some hopefully helpful tips. Follows, when Brooks asks me to get into tandem, I'm trying to continue backwards until I feel that we're together. I've noticed that if I stop early, Brooks has to come and get me. Also, for the fancy footwork of the S turn, in order to get the feeling I like, I need to hop backwards with my right foot. That gives me the nice stretchy distance Brooks and I both like.
And let's go over the exit. We're gonna do kind of the first half of the push out with slightly different footwork. And then we're gonna follow it up with a 6-count back to closed position. And just like before, if you wanna practice the exit more, do the exit more. Then as things get more comfortable, add in more things. Do Tandem Charleston. Do the exit, get back to closed position. Do the chase. Go back to tandem. Try some push-outs, etc.
Add that 6-count and Charleston that you already know. When you get back to closed position, that rock step is the easiest bridge. And if you feel adventurous, that push out is an easy place to add a little rhythm variation. that's Tandem. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. It's one of the best ways to support us.
If you're looking for great music to dance to, Laura's put together a playlist of swing era music. It's down in the description.
If you like the music that you dance to in this video, it's the Brooks Prumo Orchestra, and you can find a link towards that in the description as well.
And if you want to support the people and culture that created this dance, we do too.
50% of the money we get from this channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art. And the best way to learn how to dance is to dance. I like that.